Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the blackpink filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, in effect gallery, you will see a search bar here. Just tap there and search for blackpink. No space. Okay, remember this first image. This is the effect. Okay, so suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for blackpink. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.